What's going on, guys? All my Gevo lovers and traders and holders. So let's talk about the stock. It's been a little bit since I've done a video on Gevo. So today, only up 11 cents on a day, 3.5%. So what I'm going to do is kind of walk you guys through marking out some supply and demand zones on Gevo. What I got pulled up here, short-term trades, obviously short-term swings, day trades, scalpers, so forth and so forth. Not really talking long-term projections here, just talking maybe, a week, 2, 3 weeks out. What we're going to do is pull up the 4-hour time frame. We're going to make a little bit of a demand zone here. So if we can kind of look back to last Monday here and then Thursday, we kind of came down in this zone. Buyers seem to be comfortable stepping in here down at the lows of $2.81 up to around, realistically about $3. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a box here just so I can kind of see more or less what's going on here. If we do come back into this zone, obviously buyers have been showing that they're comfortable buying stock down here. So with that being said, if we do come down in this zone, this is telling me that it's a loading zone. Obviously, if we were to lose $2.81, then hey, potentially, Gevo has a little bit more room down to go. We can just exit our trade, or we can load in here if we come back test this zone. So let's say Gevo was to fall, we come back in this zone, and then we break out. This is where you're going to want to be long in this area here for this next potential push higher. With that being said, you can see that we're coming into a little bit of resistance here going back to last Wednesday. So with that being said, we kind of tested this area multiple times. It's acting as a little bit of resistance here. So I'm going to just draw just a minor intraday resistance line. So if Gevo does get over $3.60, potentially it has room to run up. Now, where does it have room to run up? I'm not saying it's going back to $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. But what I am saying is, we have to start testing some of these older channels. So you can see when we did have this pop here, we had a little bit of rejection here, and then we kind of sold off. It looks like we found a little bit of a bottom here, touched it 1, 2 times, 3 times. And then if we look, when we really did break down below this level, we had a hard time getting back over the 20-day moving average. And then we sort of fell down here to this demand zone. So for me, the next price target on Gevo is going to be that $3.95, $4 area. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw like a little bit of a supply zone here. Obviously, things are subject to change just depending on the price action. But with that being said, you can kind of see every time we've either touched that area, it's acted as support, or we found that area as resistance. So I'm going to change this to red just to kind of let myself know that, hey, if I'm in this trade, I'm going to go ahead and be taking profits on that. And if we do come up into this area, what I really want to see is us close over this $4 mark. So I would like to see us break this 360, come over $4, and then put in a new high. Once we do that, I'd like to see a little bit of a back test here in $3.80, $4 zone, and then I want to see that push higher. When I see that push higher, then the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame is going to be my price target. That's $4.41. Hopefully, if you guys are averaging down or you guys are in at a low entry price down here, we can kind of collect some profits on that. If we just kind of keep chugging along here, adding more, resistance line, this is going to be the next area of resistance here. So if you're going to continue to hold, $4.42 would be your next profit taking area. Obviously from there, then we're going to have another area of resistance where we came up 1 day, 2 days, and then got rejected, fell all the way down to this was a demand zone where we bounced off. And then when we lost that, obviously we came all the way back down. So this is going to be our next area of resistance, $4.94, $5. So these are your levels that you have to play with on Gevo, okay? We've already pushed off of the demand zone. We've pushed off. We've kind of created this 4-hour bull flag here. What we want to see is break through this resistance. We want to get out of this channel. We want to start pushing up towards the next level of supply. Next level of supply, $3.84. All the way up to $4. So if you're a day trader or scalper, you got 20, 30 cents worth of wiggle room where you can potentially get in, load up, a few thousand shares, 5, 10,000 shares of this, and, kind of make some good money there. And then take the trade from there, depending on whether you want to hold it long term. You're looking to swing this. As long as we are holding, the 20-day moving average, I would be comfortable holding this position. If we do lose the 20-day moving average, just know that we're probably going to fall back into this demand zone between $2.80 and around $3. I hope that helps you guys. If you guys do want more information, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out with some technical analysis, some supply and demand zones. Also, I do have a paid section of that Discord where you can kind of get the stocks I'm watching and playing intraday. So I'll kind of do this for you guys intraday, put out the levels that I'm looking for, and then keeping a close eye on the stocks when they do break or get rejected, so we can kind of play them accordingly and all make some money together. With that being said, if you do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm doing multiple videos a day, putting out videos on different stocks, everything from mega cap, Tesla, Amazon, all the way down to stuff like Gevo. So everything in between. And I will see you guys all in the next trading video.